This project was a complete redesign and installation of the entire backyard. Starting with the Gunite pool, we installed a 20 by 40 brand new Gunite pool with a spa and a sun deck in the shallow area. The pool is also equipped with an auto cover, we installed porcelain pavers for the patio, 3/4 inch thick in a gray color. The clients picked the color to match the house. For the auto cover, we used 24 by 24 inches, 2-inch thick porcelain coping and 12 by 24, 2 inches thick for the remaining of the coping. We custom cut the skimmer boxes. Pavilion was installed to match the house and also facing the house with the fireplace, a TV area, and cabinets storage. We installed a gas fire pit in this area. The whole pool and backyard patio is furnished with the very modern furniture. The theme is kept with the gray and white accents. The island was built with black marble, split face, and the countertop is a black leathered granite. This is the latest backyard redesign and installation done by Gappsi for a private residence in Sands Point, New York.